It's a good game.
Just to get that money
After all the questions, kung sino may pinakamarami ng points, each question, 1 point. Okay. Okay, let's begin na. Ito na, totoo na to ha. Totoo na. Focus. Okay.
The first question.
Ready? Listen. Ito ay sinabi ni FPJ. Isang black bala. Ano sa Tagalog ang deeper? Pangligo. Deeper. Sa kasabihang, ang batang makulit, laging may vlog sa puwet.
Palo.
Hanggang ilan?
May tatlo pa. Kung sino lang pinakamataas ng points, will be the winner. Ito ay ginagamit sa larong basketball.
Bola!
Dito!
Si Max kasi may mga project kasi na tinanggihan niya sa mga na sayang yung pambigas na. Sabi niya, ikaw yung mag-accept doon. Kasi may ano kasi scene kasi yun eh. Tsaka yung mga sexy scene, meron naman.
Not to the, ano naman, not to like 18 plus level, but I'm not kissing scene.
Kaya tinanggihan niya. Dalawang ano sa akin yun.
Dalawang movies.
Yeah, na tinanggihan niya. Kaya baka may marinig ka na, ay, kakapagpapupat na yan. So, yun lahat ko lang na sabi na tinanggihan niya kasi ayaw niya mga isings.
Me along the way, thank you. Through seasons of growth, change, and choosing peace, you stayed. All of it matters. All of you matter. Thank you for allowing me to evolve, to move with intention, and to remain grounded. You know, in 2025 po has been the most beautiful year in my life. I found peace and a kind of genuine happiness I never would. This year, I was given a lead role. But more than that, God has been leading my life. And this year, He still stayed and chose me. Not just for my spotlight moments, but for my quiet growth. For that, thank you so much. Know that you always have my heart, showbiz man o hindi. Now, I have a gift for you. This is the most intentional gift I have ever given to my supporters. And this is just simple, a white rose. This is a symbol of my purest grace and gratitude for your love, for your support. And there's a little bow that wrote Gary's story, the most special journey I entered this year. And so I chose it to share it with the special people in my life. Thank you for staying, thank you for choosing me, and thank you for loving me unconditionally. Now, let's see. I will give that flowers.
Ikaw na yun eh. No reason. Like naman yung boyfriend mo. Thank you po. Thank you so much po for your time. That po has a story. And one day, things take time. And that po, ba? Ako nagtahi niyan isa-isa. Of course, I'll go there. Excuse me. Maganda na naman ako. Pagising ko naman umaga, lapang ligo. Nakatutbrush na. Yay! Thank you so much. Ayan, that's my message. And sana mag-ingat kayo po siya. And I hope to see you soon. Happy 2026 na! May plano na kayo sa buhay. Wala na plano. Hindi, of course, just trust the process. Have a plan, of course. Organize somehow your plans. And then, do your best and God will do the rest. Yeah. Alright? Love you guys. Love you, Maxine!
Dahil dyan,
Tara! Tumabi na tayo! Love you! Happy birthday. Thank you for your love and support. I hope to see you every time may mga event kami. And love you so much. And God bless. Thank you.
Sana wag mo masabi